UD. So if you haven't already, definitely come and check her out. There's something for everyone, so don't miss out. Say hey. So this is home for the next 2 days. This is a guest toilet and there's nothing to see here. Boring. So this is it. The dining. It's a 3-bedroom apartment. This is it. This is bedroom 1. Has a balcony. Then we have bedroom 2. This is bedroom 2. Just see the furniture. So nice. Like so nice. This is even nicer than the hotel we stayed in. And so Airbnb people they are moving now. This is the bathroom. So it's good. And then there is a kitchen. Everything is here, man. The washing machine, balcony with the dryer. So even the way you're looking there with the colors, like your mustard is popping. Like, yeah, you need a picture there, man. So this is the master. This is it. Very nice. Here, then there's a closet. Very huge space. Obviously, we don't have any clothes, so this one is for their pocket. But yeah. Here I am again. Alright, so yep. I'm too hot. Say my name, you know who I am. Girl singing hallelujah. Dripping makeup.
Hey everyone. You don't do countdown. You're not the first to be fine though.
Hi guys. So today is all about the beach. Well, I don't even know which beach we are going to. You guys, this trip, literally, I have been moving on vibes. Like, but essentially, we're going on a boat. We're gonna have a little cruise, and then possibly stop at the beach house. You know, just see you guys on the boat. Bye. You guys are on the boat. What she does best. Which is doing what she does best. I'm doing what I do best. Make videos. I eat chocolate. Lagos City. we have arrived at the island, or rather the beach house. I don't even know. The beach house, yeah, where we were heading to. So you can see behind me.
Honestly, I never would have picked to be the outgoing one later on in life.
We her sexy outfit, you guys. Like, I need this outfit in my life. It's so hard, I'm telling you. It's so hard. You know, we're having so much fun. You're in Spain. Have fun. Okay, what's the problem? Is that how you act in Spain? Yeah, you're in Spain, babes. Do it. Woo! Okay. Oh shit, my hair is all over the place. But you guys just look at the field that is Ilesha beach. Like, so I was trying to get to the water, but I don't think I want to go close to this thing, or like, I don't even know what it is. This seaweed looks like seaweed. Well, yeah, like, so I'm staying out of the water because I can't afford to have anything happen to me, man. So on my skin or anything, like, I'm just not in the mood. So I'm staying out of the water. So we're just gonna have outside water beach vibes. There's a pool in the beach house, so I'm gonna get in the pool. You guys get to see me swim. Yeah, I'm not great, but I can't drown. As you can see, I'm a real chill mode. Oh shit, I almost fell in the water. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm on the water still. Yeah, my eye makeup has smudged. Anyways, yeah, so we're gonna be here for a little bit longer. I think we're supposed to go clubbing later. I think today's my last night in Lagos. We leave for the airport very early tomorrow morning, 8 a.m. flights. I actually hope I will make it because it's Ibom. I know Ibom Air doesn't play. You guys need to be enjoying yourselves. Like, just take our time and just chill. What? Bye. Bye bye. back on land. So I don't know if I'm gonna go out tonight, but I'm ready. Yes, please. Had a walking while long walk with this my heel. Jesus, thank God we entered. So this is called what?
This is all called landmark, but then they're like different locations here. So where we're going to now is called
It's nice. The paintball, yeah.
then they ride the quad bike. There's a swimming pool up here. Then where the hotel is. And once you stay at the hotel, you get in here for free. So they just give you a band at the hotel.
Wow, yeah. Okay guys, we're off the shuttle, or the keke napep, really. We're at Truth.